Hello friends, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. When we talk about workplace safety, most people immediately think of helmets, gloves, fire exits or first aid kits. But what about mental safety? Where is the safety gear for the brain? This is where ISO 45003 comes in, as the first global standard dedicated to managing psychological health and safety at work. It focuses on identifying risk to mental well-being, managing them, and creating a supportive workplace culture. In today's high-pressure, fast-paced work environment, mental safety is as important as physical safety, and ISO 45003 gives organizations a clear framework to achieve it. Understanding ISO 45003. ISO 45003 is part of the ISO 45000 family, sitting alongside ISO 45001, which focuses on physical health and safety, while ISO 45001 protects you from failing objects or unsafe machinery. ISO 45003 protects you from failing morale, burnout, and emotional exhaustion. It provides guidelines to help organizations identify psychosocial risk, things like excessive workload, unclear job roles, bullying, discrimination, and lack of support, and take action to prevent harm before it happens. Why psychological safety matters? A toxic work environment doesn't just affect how people feel. It impacts productivity, profit, and overall organizational health. Studies show that psychologically unsafe workplaces have higher turnover rates, more sick days, and lower innovation. People in such environments are afraid to speak up, make mistakes, or share ideas. ISO 45003 emphasizes that mental health isn't a luxury or a nice to have. It is essential for sustainable success. If employees are constantly stressed or fearful, performance suffers and the organization's potential is wasted. Core areas covered by ISO 45003. The standard addresses three main steps. First is identifying psychosocial risk. These could be unreasonable deadlines, long working hours, lack of clarity in roles, or poor communication. Second is assessing the impact of these risks on employee health, engagement, and output. Third is implementing controls such as fair workload distribution, mental health resources, leadership training, anti-bullying policies, and better communication channels. The aim is to create a workplace where employees feel respected, supported, and confident to contribute without fear. Work environment and psychological safety. Psychological safety doesn't come from one-off initiatives like a yoga session or a motivational speech. It is woven into the work environment. ISO 45003 encourages organizations to look at how meetings are run, how conflicts are handled, how feedback is given, and how recognition is shared. It promotes fair treatment, respect, inclusion, and open communication. Even physical aspects like noise, lighting, and layout play a role in mental well-being. A workplace that looks modern but still enforces 80-hour weeks isn't truly safe psychologically. Now let's discuss the benefits of a psychologically safe workplace. Organizations that prioritize mental safety see a range of benefits: increased innovation, better problem solving, lower absenteeism, stronger employee loyalty, and a positive brand reputation. When people feel safe mentally, they are more willing to share ideas, collaborate, and take initiative. Happy employees also become brand ambassadors, improving the organization's public image without any extra marketing cost. Now let's discuss how to implement ISO 45003. Implementing the standard starts with leadership commitment. Organizations need to assess psychosocial risk through surveys, interviews, and observation. Based on findings, they calculate action plans that include flexible working arrangements, clear role definitions, mental health resources, and manager training. Continuous improvement is key. The workplace needs regular reviews to ensure measures remain effective. Now let's discuss the common mistakes to avoid. Some companies fail in their implementation by treating ISO 45003 as a tick box exercise. Common mistakes include running one-time wellness events without follow-up, ignoring employee feedback, adding extra wellness activities, to already overworked teams and considering mental health as a personal rather than organizational responsibility. True success requires embedding psychological safety into daily operations. Safety for the whole person. ISO 45003 goes beyond preventing burnout. It is all about building workplaces where people can do their best work without fear, stress, or emotional harm. A safe workplace is not just one without physical accidents, but one where both the body and mind are protected. Physical safety gear protects your head. ISO 45003 protects what is inside it. Thanks for watching this detailed session on ISO 45003. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.